Hello students, myself Kavita Ravikiran Sardesai, working as assistant teacher at LK Jarak Vidya Mandir, Jaraknagar. Now we see some examples of division. The first example, 6.2 divided by 2. While doing the division of decimal fraction, first we convert that decimal fraction into common fraction and then do the division. So first we convert this 6.2 into the common fraction. How? That is 62 upon 10. Why we write here 10? Because after decimal point there is the one digit, and that's why we write here at the denominator 10 divided by 2 upon 1, and then carry out the division as per the rule of fraction, that is 62 upon 10. Change the divide sign by the multiply sign and write the reciprocal of second fraction, that is 1 upon 2, and then do the multiplication. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, divided by 10, that is equal to 3.1. डिनॉमिनेटरला 10 आहे, 10 आहे, म्हणजेच राईट साईडकडून 1 डिजिट सोडून इथं डेसिमल पॉईंट द्यायचा. सो आन्सर इज 3.1. ओके, नाव वी सी द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल ऑफ डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन. सेकंड, 4.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.2. Write this decimal fraction into the common fraction. 48 divided by 10, because after decimal point one digit, divided by 12 divided by 10. After decimal point one digit म्हणून इथं 10 आलं. Follow the division rule of the fraction. 48 upon 10. Change this divide sign by the multiply. Reciprocal of 12 upon 10 is 10 upon 12. Then what happen? Here 10 cancel होणार. 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 12 1s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So answer is 4. Okay. Next example, third example, 1.17 divided by 9. 117 divided by 100. 100 का आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉईंट 2 डिजिट आहेत म्हणून डिनॉमिनेटरला 100 आलं. डिवायडेड बाय 9 अपॉन 1. 117 divided by 100. Change division sign by multiplication. 1 upon 9. That is equal to 9 1s are 9, 9 13s are 117. So 13 upon 100, that is equal to, from the right side leave the 2 digit because at the denominator 2 zeros, 31.0. So answer is 0.13. Understand? Now another one example we take here. Fourth example, 1.8 divided by 0.12. Common fraction. 18 upon 10 divided by 12 upon 100, that is equal to 18 upon 10, change sign by multiplication, reciprocal 100 upon 12. Follow the multiplication. 10 1s are 10, 10 10s are 100, then 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Remaining is 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, understand?